डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं? पढ़ने के लिए तैयार हैं? तो आइए चलिए पढ़ते हैं अगला टॉपिक। तो कल हमने बेटा पढ़ा था रिएक्शन बिटवीन जिंक एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। तो आज बेटा जो हमने 3 रिएक्शंस की हैं उसमें मैं आपको कह रही थी कि नंबर ऑफ एटम्स मस्ट बी इक्वल ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द रिएक्शन because the law of conservation of mass states that the number of atoms, the total mass of the reactants must be equal to the total mass of the products. So beta here I have written one general unbalanced chemical equation Fe plus H2O. The product is Fe3O4 plus H2. So beta after that I have written balanced chemical equation 3Fe plus 4H2O. Product is Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So बेटा आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर Fe के नंबर ऑफ एटम 1 है. On the reactant side it is 1, but on the product side it is 3. And you see the number of atoms of hydrogen here are 2, and on this side are 2. So these hydrogen atoms are equal, but iron Fe is not equal. So oxygen if we will see on reactant side it is 1 and on product side it is 4. So the number of atoms, the equation in which number of atoms, I have written the equation in which number of atoms of different elements is not equal on both sides of the equation. It is called skeletal equation or unbalanced equation. So ये जो equation है इसमें number of atoms बराबर नहीं है. So ये equation unbalanced गिनी जाएगी. It is unbalanced chemical equation. So after that, balanced chemical equation. So here you are watching. Here Fe atoms are 3. On this side it is also 3. Here hydrogen atoms are जो आगे वाला है वो सबसे multiply होता है. So 4 2s are 8. Here 8 atoms of hydrogen are present. Here on this side also 8 atoms of hydrogen are present. And if we will see oxygen atoms, आगे वाला जो 4 है वो इससे भी multiply होगा तो ऑक्सीजन के एटम हो गए हमारे पास 4. तो on this side we will see oxygen atoms are also 4. So here in this reaction all the atoms of each element they are equal on both the sides of the equation. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Here I have written it means making the number of atoms of each element equal on both sides of the equation. Because law of conservation of mass states that balancing of equation is must. The total number of atoms on each side, on reactant side and product side must be equal. So अब ये जो है ये unbalanced से balance बनाई मैंने reaction. तो ये reaction balancing कैसे करते हैं तो ये अब हम सीखेंगे. How to balance a chemical reaction.